Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you doing something different today. I got my new cylinder guard protector for my BMW R1250 GS that basically going to protect this cylinder. So it's gonna mount here. This protector will go right on the top of my cylinder, and it's easy mount, but I do have a crash bar. So this cylinder guard I got is from the Machine Art Moto. That's the company I bought it for. It's called the X1250 X-Head 1250. That's what it's called. It's very easy installation. It has the it is a very solid material, and it has a rubber protection inside. One thing it's need to be happen is required is to if you have a factory crash bar install, you need to remove this in order to install, and then factory crash bar will go back in it. So you need to unbolt the one bolt right here, which is this piece is connected. So this bolt needs to taken out. The one it's below that holding the bottom, and also there is another one on this one. So you have two at the bottom and one on the side on the top right here. So I'm gonna remove that and take the crash bar off, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so I removed the crash bar. Now, only thing, in order if you buy this Machine Moto R protection guard for your R1250 GS from Machine Art Moto, one thing required is you need to remove this shift cam cover, because it will not go with it. So you have to remove this, keep it in a safe place in case if you want to take this off in the future, you're gonna need this to put back on. So make sure you don't lose it. And all it needs to be done is just remove this, take the shift cam off, shift cam cover off, and then put this cover back in. It has a two bolt that goes into the bottom right here. So this one has the bolt that one goes right in here, which is let me show you. One goes right in here, and the second one goes right in here. So it has a two bolt, one here at the bottom, and the second one is right here, as you can see. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is just remove this shift cam cover. You need T25 to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that quick. And this is pretty easy to install. There is no brainer. This stuff is so easy. But sometimes it definitely helps if someone has this done already and put it out there. So here is all you do is just take this off and put it on a safe place, so you don't lose it, and also with the belt, with your T25 screw. So I'm just gonna put in my case that I have. It's the box, so I don't lose. So here is what it looks like, and all it needs to do is just put this on the top. Just make sure you put it in and slide it in nicely and tight, so that way it can go in. You also want to do one thing while you have this apart. You may want to clean all the debris and dust inside, so that way it's clean. So I'm just gonna do mine. I have some dust around here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean those. It helps maintain your bike, and it makes easy to clean while you have it at the cover is off. And when you clean it, just make sure don't go too crazy, because you don't want to break fuse this cable, the sensor cable, and all that. So just go easy on it. Just make sure, keep eye on it, that you don't lose your sensor. So it's done. I want to make sure all the dust is off the cylinder guard. Okay, looks like it looks good. All right, looks like I have it clean. All the debris and dust and all the bugs and that I had to stick on here, it's all cleaned out and it looks perfect. And here is my guard from the Machine Moto Art. This is a protection guard for your cylinder. All I'm gonna do is just put right on here, and it will cover. This covers almost 80% of your area. So it's not only covers this piece, but it covers your top, and it covers all the way to the inside. Covers all the way your all bottom cylinder piece. So even you have a crash guard, there are always chance that you could hit with the rock your bottom cylinder, and that could affect your leak in the engine, leak inside, or fluid or something can. So this will protect. One thing you want to make sure, this comes in a rubber, as this comes with the rubber inside. Make sure it's tight inside and sealed properly. If it's not, if it's a loose, make sure you tight it just to make sure it fits inside. That way you don't have to worry about taking it off and redo the stuff again. So I made sure that it's tight enough. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that in and then put some screws on. So one goes on the top right here, and the other two goes into the bottom, which is right here. So let me do that quick here. I'm doing through my phone here. I just don't have my camera on for some reason. It need fix. My camera is not working, so let me put this cover on, and I'll show you how the bolt goes in. So this is what I did. I put it nice and solid. I kind of push it in, make sure it line up with the screw. So I have it line up right here. So I can put the screw right in here, and you see how it seals perfectly right in here. It's just perfect. Look at that. And once you put the bottom screw in, this thing will tight, like it will seal completely, and that's where the other screw goes, right here in the bottom. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and put those screws. This comes with its own screw, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the bolt on. So this is the T25. Just goes straight in. It's easy. So this is the one on the top. So since I have that done, here is the cover. This is the bottom. This is the bottom piece where two screw goes. Make sure you plug in a right angle because you don't want to force the screw in, because it has to go in a certain angle when you put the screw in the bottom. So make sure they line up correctly so you can put that in. So this is how it goes. One is on here, so I'm going to show you right here. This is the bottom piece. I put one screw right here, and the second one is in here. Like I said, this both comes with the guard. So now I'll show you how my cylinder guard looks. This is how it looked. Perfect. Full protection, no issue, all sealed completely, no gap. You see how this the protection on the plastic, and also there is a rubber guard protection right here too, which help when you have some kind of when shock, if you drop the bike, and when it drops on a cylinder, it helps the rubber helps when it gets when it hits the ground. So yeah, this is the Machine Moto Art installation. I hope you like this. Now next step, what I'm gonna do is put my engine guard back on. So let me do that. All right, guys. So here is ready. I put my crash bar. I put my crash bar back. I installed this Machine Moto Art. Look how nicely it fits. Even this one, the factory crash bar has a rubber comes with it. You see how seamlessly it connects with the protection guard right here. So it's perfect. I really like this product. It's very, very nice. And so here is my Machine Moto Art X-Head 1250 installation. The toughest part I ran into is I have this pipe coming in from here. So the the crash bar, it took a little bit of to put this bolt back in, but I was able to get in and I tied it really good. So I think it's all good. So guys, I hope you like this small video, and if you like it, as always I say on my channel, like, subscribe, comment, share, and do whatever you want to do. So thanks for watching.